make sure it's ready.
Hi. On the Healy, if you go a little higher.
So I made it into the town of Healy. This is, you get gas here. It says Three Bears. It's a grocery store, an Ace Hardware, and sporting goods and liquor store. This is where we had to come and get some screws to finish our cabin. There's the beautiful mountain peeking through.